Ready? Start. As per the office circular dated 22/3/1984 issued by the state government, laying out the guidelines for selection, promotion to the posts within the purview of the Public Service Commission, the criteria for promotion shall be merit, full stop, para. The state government have also framed the UP government servant relaxation in qualifying service for promotion rules 2006, which prescribe that in case the required number of eligible persons are not available in the field of eligibility, the prescribed minimum length of service may be relaxed up to 50% by the government in the administrative department in consultation with the personnel department, excluding the period of probation, full stop. The appointing authority determined 26 vacancies of chief engineer civil level second for the recruitment year 2018-2019, full stop. The eligibility list was to be prepared in terms of Rule 4 of Uttar Pradesh Promotion by Selection Eligibility List, Rules 1986, containing the names of the senior most candidates, as far as possible, 3 times the number of vacancies, full stop. Since there were 26 vacancies of chief engineer determined as per rules 1986, totaling 78 superintending engineers civil were eligible to be considered for promotion to the post of chief engineer, full stop, para. On 23/7/2018, an eligibility list of recruitment year 2018-2019 of 74 superintending engineer civil was prepared, full stop. The names of the original writ petitioners found place at serial numbers 60, 63, 64, 67, 72 and 74, full stop. However, as they had not completed 25 years of service, which was the requirement as per the rules 1990, their cases were not considered for promotion, full stop. Again on 7/3/2019, a revised eligibility list for the recruitment year 2018-2019 of 59 superintending engineers civil was prepared, and the names of the original writ petitioners were excluded on the ground that they had not completed 25 years of service, full stop. Again on 18/3/2019, another revised eligibility list for the recruitment year 2018-2019 of 44 superintending engineer civil was prepared, in which also the names of the original writ petitioners were excluded, full stop. Lastly, on 10/5/2019, one other revised list of 41 superintending engineers civil was prepared, excluding the names of the original writ petitioners, full stop, para. Therefore, the original writ petitioners preferred writ petition number 14962 of 2019, assailing before the High Court the eligibility lists dated 18/3/2019 and 10/5/2019 of the superintending engineer civil for promotion to the post of chief engineer civil level second in the Department of Irrigation and Water Resources, mainly on the ground that they were entitled to the relaxation in minimum qualifying service as per relaxation rules 2006, full stop. By judgment and order dated 11/12/2019, the learned single judge issued the writ of mandamus commanding the competent authority to prepare the eligibility list of superintending engineer civil, including the names of the original writ petitioners for promotion to the post of chief engineer civil, granting them relaxation in minimum length of service in accordance with relaxation rules 2006 as amended in the year 2013, full stop. Consequently, the learned single judge quashed and set aside the eligibility lists dated 18/3/2019 and 10/5/2019 of superintending engineer for promotion to the post of chief engineer.